Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I did this like pin-up makeup look with a winged liner and a mascara and of course a red lip. So if you want to know how I did this makeup look and what's usual for pin-up makeup looks, keep on watching and of course subscribe to my channel. So first I'll do my face and I'm starting with concealer. I won't do foundation. And I'm using this Wet n Wild Photo Focus. It's in the shade Light Ivory and I'll apply it on all the usual places. And now I'll do All Nighter from Urban Decay. This is in the shade Light Warm and I did a comparison video on this and the Naked Skin concealer, so I'll leave it linked somewhere here. This is a bit lighter and a bit more yellow, so it's a bit more like my skin. And of course I'll blend it with Real Techniques complexion sponge. So now when I look like a ghost, let's do it a bit more. So I'll set it with this Catrice Nude Illusion Loose Powder Transparent Matte. I use it like for 2 weeks I think, and it's pretty okay actually. I really like it. It gives you that matte but not overly matte or dry skin look, and I like that you can apply it in this top. And now I'll just go with my sponge and I'll set all of this. So now let's give me a bit of color, and I'll do it with this Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contour Kit, and I'm using this bronzing shade. For highlighting I'm using Precious Petals, also from Wet n Wild. My blush is this from Douglas, it's called Aquarel Blush, it's in the shade The Creator of Color. And I'll do quite a bit of this blush because I think that pin-up look is very blushy and healthy look. I'll do my pink liner and I'm using this liquid ink from Essence. While my wing is drying, I'm gonna do my lip, and of course I'll do a red lip, but I line it with this NYX lip liner in the shade Nutmeg, and I'll apply this Beauty UK Velvet Matte Lip Cream in the shade Radical Red. And now I'll use my mascara, and this is Catrice Rocketcher Lifestyle Proof. So guys, this is my completed look, this pin-up makeup, and I really like this kind of look. It's very classic and it's actually really quick to make, so that's also a plus. And I hope you liked it also, so if you did, please give it a big thumbs up and of course subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, bye!